Hello, my name is Brandon Renteria and I choose question 3. Why do you want this particular position here within our customer service department? Because I want to start in a position that allows me to learn everything about the company from the very basic level of interacting with the customers all the way up through the sales process, the marketing process, and the production of goods and services. When I saw the opportunity with customer service, I thought this was a skill set that I had and that I could bring to the company.